How to actually use AI to make money on Etsy. Etsy, the online marketplace known for its unique and handmade products, has become a bustling hub for creative entrepreneurs seeking to turn their passion into profit. With millions of active sellers and buyers, the platform offers a vast opportunity for those who can effectively tap into its potential. In recent years, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized the way businesses operate, and Etsy is no exception. Understanding Etsy's ecosystem. Etsy, with its ever-expanding community of sellers and buyers, serves as a dynamic online marketplace that caters to a diverse range of products. To effectively utilize AI for generating revenue on Etsy, it's imperative to have a profound understanding of the platform's ecosystem, which comprises several critical elements. Niche selection. Selecting the right niche is the foundational step towards Etsy success. It's the compass that guides your entire business strategy. In the Etsy ecosystem, niches represent specific product categories, often characterized by their unique designs, materials, or themes. Whether it's handmade jewelry, vintage clothing, or digital prints, your niche defines your shop's identity. Product development and personalization. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is developing products that resonate with your target audience. Here, AI plays a pivotal role in enhancing product development and personalization. Product development. AI-driven product development starts with idea generation. Machine learning algorithms can analyze trends, consumer preferences, and social media data to suggest product ideas that are likely to be well received in your chosen niche. These algorithms can also help in product design, optimizing elements like color schemes, materials, and sizes based on historical sales data and customer feedback. Pricing strategies and competitive analysis. Determining the right pricing strategy is crucial for Etsy sellers. It directly impacts your shop's profitability and competitiveness. AI can provide invaluable assistance in this regard by analyzing market dynamics and competitor pricing strategies. Pricing strategies. AI-powered pricing algorithms can dynamically adjust your product prices based on real-time market conditions, demand fluctuations, and competitor pricing. These algorithms take into account various factors, such as seasonality, competitor discounts, and customer behavior, to optimize your pricing strategy for maximum profitability. Additionally, AI can help you implement tiered pricing or bundle deals. Competitive analysis. Understanding your competitors is essential for staying competitive on Etsy. AI-driven competitive analysis tools can monitor your competitors' activities, such as new product launches, pricing changes, and marketing campaigns. This data can help you make informed decisions to maintain a competitive edge. AI can also analyze customer reviews and feedback on your competitors' products, identifying areas where you can outperform them. Inventory management and demand forecasting. Efficient inventory management is vital for maintaining a profitable Etsy shop. AI can revolutionize how you handle inventory by providing insights into demand forecasting and inventory optimization. Inventory management. AI can help you determine the optimal inventory levels for your products. By analyzing historical sales data, seasonality trends, and market demand, AI can recommend when to restock items or introduce new products. This prevents overstocking, which ties up capital, and understocking, which can lead to missed sales opportunities. Additionally, AI can automate inventory tracking, sending you alerts when certain products are running low or when it's time to reorder supplies. Marketing and customer engagement. Effective marketing and customer engagement are paramount to the success of any Etsy shop. AI can elevate your marketing efforts to new heights by enabling targeted campaigns and enhancing customer interactions. Targeted marketing campaigns. AI-powered marketing tools can segment your customer base and create highly targeted marketing campaigns. By analyzing customer behavior, preferences, and purchase history, AI can identify segments of your audience that are most likely to respond positively to specific marketing messages or promotions. For example, if you sell handmade jewelry, AI can identify customers who have shown a preference for gold jewelry and send them personalized promotions for your latest gold jewelry collection. Chatbots and customer support. AI-driven chatbots can provide round-the-clock customer support on your Etsy shop. These chatbots can answer frequently asked questions, assist with order tracking, and even make product recommendations based on customer inquiries. This automation not only enhances the customer experience but also frees up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. Analytics and performance tracking. To make money on Etsy, it's crucial to track your shop's performance and make data-driven decisions. AI can simplify this process by providing comprehensive analytics and insights. Sales analytics. AI-driven sales analytics tools can provide detailed insights into your shop's performance. These tools can track sales trends over time, identify your best-selling products, and highlight areas where sales may be lagging. This data enables you to make informed decisions about which products to focus on and how to optimize your sales strategy. Additionally, AI can help you identify the factors contributing to changes in your sales performance. Inventory and financial analytics. AI can also provide in-depth insights into your inventory management and financial health. It can track inventory turnover rates, assess the profitability of individual products, and analyze your shop's financial performance. With this information, you can make strategic decisions about which products to keep in stock, which to discontinue, and how to allocate your resources for maximum profitability. Legal and ethical considerations. While AI offers numerous opportunities for Etsy sellers to increase their revenue, it's essential to be aware of legal and ethical considerations to ensure compliance and maintain the trust of customers and regulators. Data privacy and security. When utilizing AI for customer personalization or analytics, it's crucial to handle customer data responsibly and securely. Etsy has its own data privacy policies, and sellers must ensure that they comply with these policies as well as any relevant data protection regulations. AI models should be trained on data that is collected and used in accordance with legal and ethical guidelines. Sellers should also implement robust cybersecurity measures to protect customer data from unauthorized access or breaches. Transparency and accountability. Transparency in AI is essential to build trust with customers. Sellers should be transparent about the use of AI in their operations, especially when it comes to personalized recommendations or chatbots. Customers should have the option to opt out of AI-driven interactions or data collection if they wish. Additionally, sellers should be accountable for the decisions made by AI systems. If an AI-powered pricing algorithm sets prices, sellers should monitor the algorithm's performance and be prepared to intervene if it produces unexpected or undesirable outcomes. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into the Etsy marketplace has opened up a world of opportunities for sellers looking to increase their revenue and build successful businesses. By understanding the Etsy ecosystem, utilizing AI in product development and personalization, implementing effective pricing strategies, optimizing inventory management, enhancing marketing and customer engagement, tracking performance with analytics, and adhering to legal and ethical considerations, Etsy sellers can harness the power of AI to make money on the platform. It's important to approach AI adoption on Etsy with a strategic mindset, continuously adapting and refining your approach based on data and market trends. By doing so, you can position your Etsy shop for sustained growth, profitability, and long-term success in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.